Tay Kapuso, pairan po ng 20 minutes sa inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin sa YouTube at Facebook, maraming salamat. Sa lahat ng nakikinig po sa DZBB, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, welcome to the program. Espesyal po ang hapon ito dahil ang ating panauhin po is appearing on the show for the very first time. At ang dumating na tao dito sa studio ay mahigit 7,000 people. Inaabangan lamang po siya. Para sa marami, she is one of the hottest vloggers in the country. Ang iba naman ang tawag sa kanya ay social media superstar. Para sa akin, siya po isang kaibigan. Naitay Kapuso, please welcome the one and the only Small Laude!
Tito Boy!
Please, maraming salamat. At
Thank
ika'y
you, Tito Boy, for
nakarating.
having me.
And happy
Yes.
birthday.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Marami tayong magkukwentuhan. Pero kanina, nagsabi sa akin, may tanong daw. Do you have a question daw, Chang Susan? Yes po. Akin na nga yung katanungan. Sandali lamang po. At narito ang may isang katanungan na dapat pagbigyan natin. Para kay Miss Small Laude.
Okay.
May tanong kami rito mula sa viewer natin si Angel Luanio ng Pasig. Maraming salamat, Angel. Ang tanong niya, paano raw ba mag-celebrate ang birthday ang mayayaman?
Oh my gosh, Tito Boy, it's just simple. I had dinner with my family, all my close friends, and my kids, and my sister siblings. So, it's just a simple dinner last night.
Nakita ko kagabi. Totoo nga.
Yes.
Ate Alice is there. Ate Alice, if you're watching,
Hi,
I
Ate.
love you.
Ate, I love you. Thanks for the dinner last night.
So, simple lamang yun.
Simple dinner
Pero may
lang.
pagkakaiba ba ang celebration mo small noong hindi ka pa sikat at ngayong sikat ka na? O pareho pa rin?
Yes, Tito Boy. Gusto ko bongga yung celebration ko dati nung hindi ako sikat.
Talaga?
I want all the attention sa birthday ko. Gusto ko bongga. But
Talaga?
now, parang gusto ko simple lang with close friends and my family, of
I
course.
saw that, oo. Mga regalo. Anong regalo ni Ate Alice?
My cash and dinner.
Ano yung pinakagusto natin kay Ate Alice?
Yan ang gusto ko.
Ni Philip, anong regalo?
ay, Tito Boy, flowers lang.
Ba?
Kasi very precious daw yung flowers lang.
No, but that's nice. You know, some women love, you love flowers.
I like-
Small.
yeah,
Oh,
I
di ba?
like flowers.
Ang mga bata, anong mga regalo?
Flowers and cake. And before, they used to give me mga iPad and bags. But, Tito Boy, parang hindi na ako into material things now.
Talaga?
Yeah.
You're into what now?
Into what? I like traveling,
Totoo.
of course. And bonding time with my family. I want to spend more time with them.
Okay. Pag tinatanong kang how old you are, you don't say how old
Ay,
you are.
nako, Tito Boy, marami akong calls na mga importante. So I have to live. Bye! Bye! My mom is like calling me. Yung mga importanteng age. Tito Boy, dapat ba open tayo sa age?
Ay, ako hindi rin.
Ako rin, I'm not.
Ayoko rin.
Kasi golden years na.
Ay.
Entering the golden years.
Parang wala pa yata.
Ay, Tito Boy, malayo pa.
Oo naman.
Of course. Kasi pang Gen Z ang mga market ko.
Ako, I've always been very open na hindi rin ako bukas sa edad. Hindi dahil, but of course our friends, our families know how
Yes,
old
of
we
course.
are. Hindi tinatago, but you know,
But you know, Tito Boy, we're like we're so happy and grateful that we will celebrate our birthdays, no?
Correct.
Siyempre, healthy, long life.
Oo.
Pero yung market value, kailangan mataas pa rin. Ma-maintain natin, Tito Boy.
sandali, natatakot ka bang tumanda?
No. I want pa rin to spend more time, bond with my kids, and travel with them na I'm still strong.
Pero pag sinabi small childhood, what comes to mind?
Childhood, I always play with my sisters.
Saan? Naalala mo?
House, we make bahay-bahayan, cooking.
Ang bahay ay nasaan noon?
We were in Nueva Ecija at the time.
Tama, oo.
And then we moved to Manila during the high school.
So that's your memory of childhood. It was happy.
I was so happy during the childhood days.
Pero small, bata ka pa lamang, gusto mo nang sumikat, mag-artista.
There was a time, Tito Boy, gusto ko talagang sumikat. And then, I sent this biodata kay Kuya Germs.
Nagpadala ka?
Nagpadala ako, Tito Boy, and I think hindi nakarating kay Tito Boy kasi biodata lang. And nakastamp pa yun yung mga 1 month bago makarating yung
Pero
mga
hindi
mail.
kayo magkakilala ni Kuya
No,
Germs.
no.
Nagpadala ka lang.
Nagpadala
Ang
lang
gusto
ako.
mo, makapasok saan?
I want
That's
to host.
entertainment ba
That-
yun?
No,
Or
not That's Entertainment.
GMA Super Show?
GMA Super Show. Kasi naka-gown every week. I like that.
Ayun yung gusto mo.
Oo, yung naka-gown, sila Shawi, si Gretch.
Pero
Dawn.
noong tama, the most beautiful women in show business
The
in that
most
time.
beautiful women.
Tama ka, Gretchen, Dawn.
Gretchen, Dawn, Jackie Lou. Oh my
Right.
God, they're all Shawi. Hi,
Right.
Shawi.
Okay, pero natupad ito kahit papano noong 2022 because you did a cameo role sa Mano Po Legacy.
Yes.
Sa pelikulang yun. How was that experience?
Tito Boy, okay, Rochelle Monteverde was there the whole time.
Kaibigan natin?
And I said, Rochelle, ayoko yung mga magme-memorize at saka yung long wait. So, okay, sige. Mga 4 to 5 hours ka lang. So, that was a 3-day shoot. Pero, Tito Boy, I did the 2 days lang. Kasi, Tito Boy, napagod ako the next day. So, sabi ko, ibahin na lang yung script. Kasi I was supposed to have massage and spa with Aiko Melendez on the 3rd day.
Alright.
So, parang na-cancel na lang yung spa namin.
Pero nagkaroon ka pa rin ng mga eksena with Aiko kasi napanood ko yan
Aiko, yeah, and Beauty Gonzalez.
Right,
And they're so
oo.
magaling.
Lumabang ka naman.
Ay, lumaban ako as mo laude. But Beauty Gonzalez was like 6 a.m. to 6, parang 6 a.m. to another 6 a.m. Tito Boy, umiiyak, tumatawa, naglulupas. I memorized some lines and I said, oh my gosh, I cannot do this. The emotions are so like, it varies, ha? My God.
Pero alam mo ba, Small, kaya mo yan.
Tito Boy, I think kaya ko.
Kaya mo. Oo, Vilmanian ka.
Vilmanian
Alam
ako.
ko yun. Alam
Yes.
niyo, gusto niyo bang subukan namin?
Ate V! Okay.
Subukan natin.
Okay.
Paano ba mangarap ang pelikula ni Ate V? Merong mga ilang linyahan dito. Bigay mo, ha?
Bigay
Kasi
ko.
nanonood ngayon ang management ng GMA7.
Oh,
Parang naghahanap sila
baka
ng...
the next day I have mga offers.
Meron yan, Small.
Ate V, okay, watch out.
Okay. Chang Susan.
And 5, 4, 3, 2, action!
Dinaya niyo ka! Mga traidor kayo! Traidor kayong lahat!
Lisa, huminahon ka. Baka mapaano ang bata.
Wala akong pakialam. Ibalik niyo sa akin si John John. Ibalik niyo. John John! John John! John John, yung anak ko, ibalik niyo. Ah! Kasi guys,
Kasi...
di ba eksena nun? Si Ate V nahulog sa stairs.
Right.
Oh my God, Ate V, I love you. Pero worry. Kasi nandito na ako. Baka pangtamos yung acting ko, Ate V.
Alam mo, kaibigan kita, Small. Pero galing-galing mo talaga. Magdrama ka.
Talaga?
Oo, maganda.
Then voice lessons.
Oh, nag-voice lessons ka?
I want. Yeah, I did. Pero
You
Tito
did?
Boy, parang wala improvement. Out of tune pa rin.
No, but if there is a song that describes you now, what is it? Hindi nga,
I
Small.
cannot say eh.
Talaga?
Baka mayabang.
No, but it's your birth.
Beautiful girl.
No.
Hi, Semari Chan.
A beautiful girl. Talaga?
Sobrang conceited, guys.
No.
Wala lang ako maisip.
No, but it's appropriate, ika
Oh,
nga.
I love
Because
you,
you
Tito.
are a beautiful girl
Ay,
inside
thank you.
and out.
Inside, I can
Oo.
attest to that.
Small, nakadikit sa pagsikat ang ilang mga bagay. Una na dito ay yung mga kontrobersiya. Marami kang mga kontrobersiya na pinagdaanan. I mean, in your career since 20,
Yes.
whatever,
Yeah.
2020?
2020.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Marami. Paano mo hinaharap ang mga kontrobersiya?
Tito Boy, you know, I just stay calm. Kahit sometimes no. Calm and focus. And of course, sometimes I don't pay attention to it. Parang it does not deserve any reactions or response, yung mga rumors.
Sinong unang mong tinatawagan?
It's Ate Alice, all the time. Karen Davila. And Nicole, my friend. Yeah.
Nicole.
Yeah.
Oo, si Karenina. I haven't seen Karen in a while, ha? Telepono lang.
Ay, really?
Yes.
She's now in Capri.
Alam mo naman yun. But she also loves to travel.
I love her.
Oo. I was telling the staff dito sa Fast Talk, sabi ko, we are friends.
We are friends.
Pero katulad ng limawa, isa sa mga controversies that you got involved ay idinidikit ang pangalan ng iyong asawa si Philip sa flood control
Yes.
corruption.
Yeah.
Iklaro mo nga yan.
Klaro ko nawa kasi Tito Boy, that person involved is a friend of Philip. But it was 2018 or 19 when they decided to go on a business. But when when the friend decided to run for politics, they agreed not to continue with the business. And they closed that company or something. So walang talagang negosyong nangyari.
Okay.
Ay, ewan ko nga, Tito Boy, bakit initirigan yung flood control? Sobrang not.
Oh,
Sobrang
okay.
go.
And I think the family issued a statement about it, di ba?
Yes, may attorney Divina Lo. Hi! Hi,
They
Divina.
also represented us, my sister. At
Really?
one point,
They're
yeah.
so magaling.
Sila
I
Attorney
love
Nilo.
Nilo. Attorney Nilo.
Hi,
I
Attorney
love
Nilo.
you.
Alam mo
Love you
when he
guys.
celebrated his 50th
Yes, I was
birthday.
there.
You were there?
Yeah,
I
yeah, we
hosted
did.
it. I did an
Oh,
interview
really?
with, yes.
Yes, yes.
I did an interview with Attorney Nilo. Pero hindi ka natatakot. I mean, you're comfortable with the idea of fame, itong kasikatan. Kasi
I don't. I'm not worried at all.
you are not. You're happy when people recognize
My family
you.
is worried about me because I say anything I want. And always say, well, can you just please be careful with your words? And my husband and Ate Alice always reminds me of that. They
Dahan-dahan.
remind me. Yes,
Baka kung ano masabi mo.
please, baka ano masabi. Kasi, Tito Boy, dire-diretso ako.
Oo. Pag-usapan natin ng pera. Gaano kahalaga ang pera sa'yo?
Ay, it's very important, Tito Boy. Of course, we need money. Of course, para I can live comfortably and I can give anything to my kids.
Do you spoil them?
Yeah, to a fault, and Philip is
Oo.
angry with that when I spoil them.
Oo, nakikita eh.
Yeah, I
Nakikita
spoil
yung
them.
pagiging nanay mo talaga
Oo,
pagkasama mo yung
sobra,
mga bata.
sobra.
Oo, pero marami ang nagtatanong, halimbawa, si Small Laude, ang yaman-yaman, ay, ang kita niya sa vlogging, halimbawa, paano? I mean, kailangan mo pa ba yun?
Yeah, Tito Boy, I invested and I save money and it's just mine.
Iyo yun.
That's just mine, yeah.
Okay, malaki ang kita ng vlogging.
Ay, sana, Tito Boy. Mas malaki pa sana kay Philip. Philip.
Pero
sorry.
hindi mas malaki.
Hindi naman mas malaki. Mas malaki pa rin siya.
Pero okay na para sa mga pangangailangan mo.
Ay, yes. Yung mga yung mga kapritsyo ko, Tito Boy, of course, enough na siya.
At saka yung mga collaborations, naalala ko, you're very new in the business. Nag-usap kami ni Karen because there was an offer from a multinational. Oo, and
Yeah.
then you were talking about the price. Sabi ko, problema ba talaga ni, ni Small? Yeah, because you work hard for it.
Yes, yes. I
Oo,
hard
you
for
work
it.
hard
Yeah.
for it. Do you have a team?
I have a team.
Di ba?
Yeah, I
Nakasama
have
mo
a
na kayo
team.
for,
Yes,
for your
always.
vlog.
Yes.
Okay. Politika. Because I know there was an interview na parang sinabi mo yata kay Philip na pag hindi mo ako pinayagan,
Mag-vlog.
mag-vlog, magpupolitika ako.
Ay, nako, my family so against it. My mom, oh my God, small, huwag mo akong bigyan ng problema, matanda na ako. Ayoko mapaaway pag nagpolitika daw ako. And my kids, they're so parang, mommy, please no.
Talaga?
Ayaw.
Pero sa puso mo, gusto mo?
Now, wala na. Tito Boy. So I'm not running.
Pero dati meron.
For a while.
Nueva Ecija.
It's San Juan or Nueva Ecija. Pero now, wala na. I'm
Nawala
not.
na dahil?
Parang I'm so tired na. I have to spend more time with my family.
Oo. At
And-
naging busy ka ng gusto.
and politics is so dirty.
I will not say no.
Yeah.
Yes.
I
Pero
don't
pag
like it.
tinatawag kang superstar ngayon, Small, ano yung reaction mo?
Oh my God, it's not for me. Apart from God, I am nothing. I always so just grateful for everything that I have right now. And I try to be content with what I have.
Yeah. At saka parati kong sinasabi sa mga tao, hindi ka talaga nabago ng kasikatan.
I know.
Kung ano ka dati, ikaw pa rin ito.
Ay, Tito Boy, if you're mayabang, you're not going anywhere.
Tama.
Hindi ka mag-aasenso kung mayabang ka.
Ito, may mga katanungan. Number one, halimbawa, Small, isang araw, lumapit sa iyo ang isa sa mga anak mo at sinabing, Mom, magpapakasal na ako. That's number one. Number two, prenuptial agreement sa mga bata. Kayo ba ni Philip may prenuptial agreement? That's number two. Number three, what do you know about love right now? And what should women know about men? Ang mga kasagutan sa pagbabalik po ng Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Kami nagbabalik po dito sa Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Kasama po natin si Miss Small Laude. But before we go back to Small, simula Lunes po next week, mas matitinding aksyon ang ihahatid sa inyo ng The Master Cutter at Task Force Firewall. At abangan nyo po dahil may mga darating na mga bagong kontrabida. Kilala mo sila, Susan? Ang ganda naman. Tutukan po ang Master Cutter at Task Force Firewall Monday to Friday sa GMA Prime kasama po ang inyong buong pamilya. Maraming salamat. And the House of Ballesteros, Marco, maraming salamat. Small, let's do Fast Talk.
Okay, okay.
Small! Okay. This is the first time I'm doing an interview with Small. Kaya dapat special. Big or small?
Small, because
No
I'm
to
small.
bashing or yes to loving?
Yes to loving.
Face card, credit card.
Credit card. Of course.
Maganda, makinis.
Oh, both.
Both or mayaman?
Mayaman.
Mayaman or sexy?
Mayaman.
Spoiled na kapatid, spoiled na misis.
Spoiled na misis.
Boss ni mister o under kay mister?
Boss ni Mister.
Clingy mom or hot mama?
Hot mama.
Kamukha mong artista, sino?
Oh my God! Kring Kring Gonzalez, my best friend.
That's true. Aktres na pangarap mo maka-eksena?
Marian Rivera, I love her.
Oh my God, yes. Aktor na pangarap mong maging leading...
By the way, Ate Shawi rin.
Pwede naman,
Oo.
abay, napakagaling.
Yeah.
At napakaganda pa rin. So, Shawi, if you're watching, I miss you. Aktor na pangarap mong maging leading man?
Leading man, of course. Sino? Tito Boy, malaki katawan. At si Piolo na lang.
Okay.
Okay.
Singer na pangarap mong makaduet?
Makaduet. Okay. My friend Pops Fernandez and si Regina rin.
Yes or no? Pinakialaman ang phone ni Philip?
Yes.
Yes or no? Nangutang na kay ate?
Yes.
Yes or no? Niloko na ng kapwa vlogger?
No.
Oo. Yes or no? Niloko na sa pera?
Yes.
Yes or no? Niloko na sa pag-ibig?
I know.
Lights-
Yeah, a little bit.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights off.
Happiness or chocolate?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness?
Afternoon delight.
I'm small, but I'm...
Terrible.
Your tagline is no to bashing.
No to bashing.
Bakit?
Kasi, Tito Boy, alam ko, ibabash na ako ng tao. So, before nila ako i-bash, iniwarn ko na sila na no bashing.
Importante
Yeah,
yun,
importante
di ba?
yun.
Isang araw, lalapit ang isa sa mga boys, ang isa sa mga anak mo, sasabihin, Mom, I'm getting married. Ano ang reaction mo?
Ay, Tito Boy, masyashock ako.
Masashock ka.
Kasi parang baby pa sila eh. For me, they're like a baby pa. Hindi ko alam na they're growing na pala. Parang, Mommy, you were old enough, please.
Yun ang mga nanay, no?
ayaw na
Ang tingin
nilang
sa mga bata,
Yeah,
talagang...
parang baby pa rin. And then I scream at them when they're late. Mommy, we're adult, you know. Tapos I just realized, oh my God, di na to pwedeng mga pagsisigaw-sigawan. Di na natatakot.
Hindi na. Prenup. Halimbawa yung mga bata, papayagan mo ba mag-asawa na walang prenup? Kayo ba ni Philip may prenup?
Ay, pag may prenup, iwanan ko siya. At ito ba? Iwalayan ko. Prenup. During the 80s.
Okay.
90s, I mean. Okay.
Ang mga bata,
Tito Boy, you know, whatever they agreed with their partners, and I'm on it, but it's now, parang nowadays, prenup is really, they really do it for transparency, but it's not about protecting your assets from each other. It's about love and trust, and if they talagang, in the beginning, from the start, dapat klaro na, di ba? It's better to be clear and transparent.
pero magandang sinabi mo yung nasa kanilang dalawa ring pag-uusap.
Na,
Di ba?
yeah, yes.
Oo.
Oo.
Nakikialam ka sa love life ng mga
Ay,
bata?
palagi, Tito Boy.
Palagi?
Oo, galit na sila sa akin.
Ibig sabihin,
Mommy, you're
yung
too
girlfriend
pakialamera.
nakikialaman?
Pero now I'm good with all the girlfriends. They're all so nice and pretty and decent. I love them. Pero dati sobrang pakialamera ako. Na tinatago na. But my daughter, ayaw niya magsabi ng anything about.
Oh, the bunso, di ba? How old is she now?
She's now 21.
Naku.
In college.
Nakikialam ka.
Ay, nakikialam. Sabi, you know, sa siblings chat, sa family chat, you know, my mom is my boyfriend all the time. Tito Boy, tutungtong pa lang daw siya one step. Where are you going? Where? Kasi naka-Live 360. Tito Boy, pagka wala siyang Live 360, you have to come back to Manila. You can stay in LA.
What do you know about love ngayon?
Love is being patient, understanding, and respect.
What should women know about men?
About men. Ay, dapat, Tito Boy, alam nila na mahal sila talaga ng lalaki.
Importante.
And bubuhayin sila talaga. Oo.
Hindi ba pwedeng equal?
I know. Not here in the Philippines.
Ang
Tito.
pananaw mo ay?
Dapat buhayin ako ng guy. Buhayin mo ako, Philip.
Happy birthday!
Oh my gosh.
Chang Susan, happy
Oh my
birthday!
gosh. Oh
Happy
my gosh,
birthday to you!
thank you so
Happy
much.
birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy
Oh my
birthday!
gosh,
Happy
thank
birthday!
you, Tito Boy.
It's a birthday of our friend, Small Love.
thank you so
Our
much.
Small there.
Oh
Make
my
your
gosh.
wish.
Okay.
Make your wish. Okay, there. Okay. Oh,
thank you,
happy,
Tito Boy.
happy, happy birthday. Chang Susan, hawakan
Thank you
muna.
so much.
Small, love you. Maraming
Thanks for
salamat.
having me, Tito Boy.
Of course, bagay na bagay pa ang rosa sa
Oh my
iyong
God, it's so
kasuotan.
bagay, it's so me.
Naitay Kapuso, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsama sa amin araw-araw. We'll see you again tomorrow. Be kind, make your nanay proud, and say thank you. Piliin ang gumawa ng tama, bihuan tama. Goodbye for now, and God bless.